For tuning in this video, I'm going to go over one of Module 1 exercises from Hack Reactor's online software engineering immersive bootcamp prep work. We're going to do number 13 of 145 exercises actually. So we got a ways to go, people. Baby steps, right? Baby steps. Okay. So that's been selected. Fork the exercise. Let's read these instructions. Write a function called isLessThan30. Given a number is less than 30, returns whether the given number is less than 30. So how are we going to solve this? Well, we know we can use a comparison operator less than. We can use the if-else statement, and that will return a boolean value. You can put that in return statement. Okay, so let's just go over if-else real quick. If anyone who's unfamiliar. The if statement executes a statement if a specified condition is truthy. In this case, it's going to be true if the number that we test is less than 30. If the condition is falsy, another statement will be executed. In our case, less than 30 false will be executed. We're going to use the less than comparison operator. And most of us are familiar with the syntax for that. And booleans. A JavaScript boolean represents one of two values, either true or false. We have all the information that we need to solve this Scooby-Doo mystery. So let's do that. I'm going to say if num is less than 30, return true. Else, return false. And the value that's tested with the code from this function, we're going to output to the console. But to do that, we have to store in a variable. So we're going to store in a variable called output. The output's going to equal is less than, or set to the value rather, is less than 30. And we're going to test the number 9. We're going to console.log that out. Before I run the code, I'm going to go over a little bit of notes that I have really quick. So let's just see what we have here. We have a function. We have the function keyword. We have the name of the function is less than 30. The parameter of the function is num. And what we're going to do is we're going to pass the value 11, which is an argument. So we're going to pass the value of the argument through this function tested, and it should return the boolean value of true or false. And we're storing the result of that test of this code that I'm circling right here. We're storing that in the variable output, and that's why when we console.log out, we should get the result of that. So let's go back to the code, pen, and run. See what happens. See what it says. Console, true. Nice. So what if I put in 87? False. All right, we did everything that we need to do here. If you want this code, you can get it at my GitHub. It's going to be a link directly to this particular exercise. And if this is helpful for you, give it a like. If it's not helpful for you, you think it was whack, say you don't like it. But if you say you don't like it, tell me why. No trolling. Be honest. Be real. Let's not waste people's time here. Thanks, everyone, and have a good day. Peace.